Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Sameer and you're watching MOTOVLOGS. So friends, today I'm going to review the Rynox Stealth Evo Level 3 jacket. I will review this jacket on my own user experience and I'll cover 3 key features of this jacket. First is the safety, second is the build quality and third is the ergonomics. So let's get started. Since the riding jacket is worn for the protection of the rider, so coming to the safety features, at the chest, shoulder and elbow and at the back we have the Rynox level 3 armors, and coming to the impact zones we have Cordura materials on the impact zones like shoulders and elbow. Talking about the ergonomics of this jacket, so it's a all-weather jacket by Rynox, and for the summers it has 10 air vents which gives a good ventilation during the summer season. So you can see at the chest, and there is a vent in the front as well. There is a vent at the sides. You can see we have vents on the hands as well. So these vents are also openable, and at the back we have a big air vent. So for winter it has a thermal liner which is worn inside the jacket, and for the rainy season it has a rain liner which is worn over the jacket so that the jacket doesn't get wet. So sizes are true, and for the adjustability of the jacket it has adjustable straps on the arms and at the torso area, and they also give you a lumbar support belt in the front pocket. So this is the lumbar support belt, you can see, and there is a waterproof pocket inside the jacket as well. So you can see there is a waterproof pocket as well. Coming to the build quality, so jacket is made up of polyester and Cordura at the impact zones. The zippers, as you can see, are standard. The quality of rivets and buttons is good. Plus it has a attachment point for your riding pants as well. So it is compatible with Advento as well as your Stealth Evo riding pant. I've been using this jacket for past 2 years now, and I have covered almost 50,000 kilometers while riding with this jacket. During this period, I had multiple falls, but I didn't get a single scratch on my body. The styling of this jacket is top notch and makes you stand out of the crowd. The nighttime visibility of the jacket is perfect with 3M Scotch Light reflective material all around the jacket. So in my opinion, this is the best riding jacket available in the Indian market around this budget, and I would definitely recommend it to all the riders looking for an all-season jacket. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe the channel for more such videos. Bye bye, take care and ride safe. Silence. Talking about the safety.